Good.
Mommy.
How are you?
Say morning to the face.
Wagwan, my youth.
Alright, you guys, quick ingredients for my green juice. You guys know that I've been doing green juice every single day, but after recently, since I got back from vacation, I add arugula to it. To be honest, it doesn't taste good, this one, but it's a green, it's good for you, and I'm just gonna add it to my green juice, honey. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is what I used to make my green juice every morning. Arugula, cucumber, celery, lemon, apple, and my ginger is missing. Let me go get my ginger, girl. Can't leave out the ginger. You cannot leave out the ginger. The most important, one of the most important ingredients of this green juice. Oh, you will leave out the ginger, goodie. You cannot leave your ginger out. It's just not possible, girl. Alright, ginger is in, and voila, green juice is about to go down. In my juicer, no water added. Baby's already off to work, so he's gonna miss his own this morning, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge and he'll have it. Oh no! Oh my gosh, I hate with my goodness spill. It's like breast milk. Never let your breast milk spill. Never let green juice spill, okay? It's like death. Anyway, you guys, see, 2 perfect cup of goodness, and the kids going to get some of this because they love it. So yeah, there we go. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day because I'm alive. Honestly, I cannot see outside because my window is not up. You guys, I've been trying since I got back from vacation to change my method of approach to the day to try and get the maximum use of the day, because I want to get as much French lesson in as possible in the mornings, because that's my quietest time to get some French lessons in online in the mornings. So I decided that, and to wake up early, like 6 o'clock in the morning, and do my workout when everybody is sleeping, instead of dropping Tyler to school and come back and then work out. So I woke up 6 o'clock this morning, got an amazing workout session in while everybody was sleeping, and finished just in time to pick Tyler up to get him ready for school. So when I get back from dropping Tyler to school, I'll jump right into French lesson fresh and not too tired and such. So that's what's going on right now. I changed my method. It's been working so far. Today is the 2nd day that I've been trying that method, and it's been going good. So I'm up, I did all that this morning, and I am going to have my glass of green juice and drop Tyler to school. Babe already rushed out to work. Sarah is up, Tyler is up getting ready for school. We're about to head out in about 2 minutes. Tyler is here. You wanna say morning to the face? Say morning to the face.
Wagwan, my youth. Deya Panyad.
Medea Amiad.
Deya Amiad.
Where are you going?
Me are going back to school.
Me a go school.
Yeah, go school.
Right. Alright, enough of the patois. Choose your good day, go get your mask, and tell face bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You want peach and what later for good day? Juice. I'm not in here.
And make sure to put it in the fridge.
Okay, I'll put it in the fridge for you. Go get your mask. let's go find Sarah and say hello to Sarah before we head out to school. Let's see where she is in her brother's room. Look at her. Good.
Mommy.
How are you? Awesome. Ready to go drop Tyler to school? Come on, let's go take Tyler to school.
I don't get it off my mouth.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, I'm coming to find for you. Go find your bag. This is my life right now. Hitting the books online, doing some French, while my girl is there chilling and doing some learning on the TV. She's doing numbers, so drop Tyler to school, and this is what we're doing. I'm gonna pause because I'm about an hour in lessons. I'm gonna pause and get some breakfast and carry on with my day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and it's staying productive. Whatever it is that you guys have to do, use time management to knock out your day and to make sure you get the full maximum use throughout your entire day. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Where did the day go? The day just went by, went about his business. My face looks so oily. You guys, I'm in the kitchen cooking dinner for the fam. Bam. What's on my menu today? What's on your menu today? That's what I want to know. Comment down below and tell me what's on your menu. Whatever it is, don't be afraid to tell me, because that's what you are having. Probably that's what you can afford. And I just want to drool on everybody's food. You understand? Anyway, you guys, let me show you what I am cooking today. So I have some chicken going over here. Let me close that real quick, shawty. All right, I have some green beans over here. Now this one is pretty interesting. This one is Tyler spinach and cream, and the form that you're seeing it in right now, it's still frozen, defrosting. So I'll tell you guys how he likes it and how it will taste. So all this white that you're seeing, I think it's the cream that is already in the recipe. It is frozen. I bought it like this. So if you guys watch a few vlogs back, you would have seen me talking about it in the supermarket haul. And over here he requested rice. So there goes rice cooking. So dinner is going down in my kitchen. You guys know that I live for cooking, right? Anyway, let's go find the kids. Sarah couldn't wait for Tyler to get home from school. Let's find them. Oh.
Hello. What my youth?
So he's in his sister's room and his sister is in his room. Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? Say, I'm fine. How are you? You just feel like jumping? You just feel like jumping? How are you? What are you doing? You're playing in Tai room?
You have a training for us?
Yes.
Okay.
I need to go and fold those clothes on Sarah's couch. You guys play socks. Mama need to come and fold them. That's why they're there.
Socks.
Yes, socks. But you're not gonna put on no socks right now. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Socks.
Look who is working out, y'all. Go baby girl. Go baby girl. He's watching something on his phone and walking.
Amusé à la tête juste à temps pour voir son chapeau s'échapper en chantant. Je suis petite Capella et j'aime voler dessus de là. Si tu me vois, viens avec moi découvrir et conter l'histoire.
Hello,
Hello, Mama.
where are you?
Track school.
Track training.
Mama.
Yes. Tell us at track training.
But when I finish and we're going home, before we go home, can you show me the video?
If we have time. Tyler is at track training. They're doing a warm-up run right now. He's in the blue. You guys can see him. Blue shorts. No, blue shirt. Blue shoes. He's in 3rd place. He's so tired. He's getting tired. That's okay. It's only warm up, Ty. Come on. You're almost at the end, Papa. You're almost there. He's dying. You guys, Tyler's at training and I'm also at training. So I decided that on Wednesdays when Tyler is doing his track training on this track here, I'm going to make use of the time and work out, because there's no way I'm gonna miss my workout on a Wednesday. And if you know me, I hate afternoon workout. So if I can get my workout in the mornings, that's bingo for me. I really want to keep you guys up to date with Tyler track training throughout the year. He'll be doing track and field for the entire year. So I'll be inserting this clip in a Friday or Monday's vlog, or whichever date gets to go in. So I decided to work out on this track and not on the track that Tyler is, which is over here, because I don't want him to be distracted. So Sarah is here, and also because Sarah just runs around, non-stop runs around. She doesn't want to stay in her stroller. So the best way for Sarah to set free, I realized that this track, they don't really use it when I'm here in the mornings. It's the first that I saw some kids come here, but they're on the other side. I'm not in their way, they're not in mine, so it's good. I find a perfect place to work out on a Wednesday morning. Let me see if I can catch Tyler for you guys again. So Ty is this group at the end of the track down here. I'm trying to zoom on them. So Tyler is down there. Let's see if I can pick him up. There he is. There is Ty. Tyler is right there. There goes Tyler. Where the coach standing. His training should finish at 11:30 and it's 11:15. I'm just gonna wrap up mine right now and get ready to go and get Tyler. That's where we'll stop the vlog for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bits and pieces that I had to show you today, we had to show you today. It wasn't much, but I know you guys will enjoy the update of our life anyway. The day just went by so fast, man. The day just went by so fast. Anyway, you guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up with us. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friend, tell your entire family to come and subscribe and join the Fam Bam as we get back into routine after this long vacation we had. And if you guys did not see any of our vacation vlogs, then why are we pan? Go and check out all the vacation vlogs. 1 entire month of vacation goodness of about 5 different countries. Love you guys. And for all the new subbies, welcome to the Fam Bam. Respect, big up on yourself. And for all the old OGs, y'all are amazing. All of y'all are amazing. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave you guys here to go and finish, get some work done while my girl naps. So see you guys tomorrow.